Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mrs. Adilopo from CTY Model College, Ibadan, Oyo State. Welcome back to our e-learning classes. I'm to take you Business Studies js3. As our last topic, we look into balance sheet, the meaning of balance sheet, forms of balance sheet, that is classification of balance sheets. Now, today we shall continue with work example on the balance sheet. The question goes thus: at the end of a trading period, which ended on 30th November 2013, C. Chinedu extracted the underlisted trial balance. You are now required to draw up a trading profit and loss account for the year ended 30 November 2013 and a balance sheet as at that date. Trial balance of C. Chinedu as at 30 November 2013. Sales. So we have it in our column, that is debit side and the credit side. So the sales is 315,800. Purchases 201,500. Air conditioning 15,000. Rent 14,000. Wages 30,000. General expenses 25,300. Fixtures and fittings 45,000 naira. Debtors 35,000 naira. Creditor 25,150. Bank 182,500. Cash 94,650. Loan from D. Maina 42,000 naira. Capital 380,000 naira. Stocks 120,000 naira. So the addition at the debit side, we have 762,950. We also have it at the credit side, 762,950. So having go through the question, we now want to prepare the trading profit and loss account for the year ended 30 November 2013. So in the question, we don't have opening stock, so we have purchases. So our purchases will be what? It will be deducted from our sales. So our sales is 315,800. So we take away our purchases, that's 201,500. So when we deduct it like that, you now get our gross profit. Our gross profit is 114,300. So the gross profit will be taken to the other side to call it gross profit brought down. That's 114,300. So the next is to less the expenses. Our expenses are air condition 15,000, rent 14,000, wages 30,000, general expenses 25,300. So if you add all the expenses together, it will give us 84,000 naira 300. So you take it away from 114,300. So we arrive at 30,000 as our net profit. So the net profit will be taken to our balance sheet. Now, we want to prepare the balance sheet now. You write the name of the company, C. Chinedu. That balance sheet as at 30th November 2013. So we put it in a T shape as well. So we have capital and liability at the debit side, then we also have assets at the credit side. So our capital is, according to the question, is 380,000 naira. So we now add our net profit from the trading profit and loss. That is 30,000 naira. When you add the two together, you get 110,000 naira. 410,000 naira. So having got that, we now move to our credit side, our assets. The asset that we have though is fixed assets. So the fixed asset is fixtures and victims. So the fixtures and victim is 45,000 naira. So no other fixed asset from the question again. We now move to current assets. The current assets are stock 120,000 naira, debtor 35,000 naira, bank 182,500, cash 94,650. So when you add all our current assets, it give us 432,150. So the addition of the current asset from the fixed assets will give us 477,150. So we now move to our debit side. So we've added our capital and our net profit. So it has given us 410,000 naira. So we now have long-term liability, which is loan. That's loan from D minor. That's 42,000 naira. Then we also have current liability. The only current liability that we have is 25,150. So we now add our net profit, that is the addition of the capital and the net profit. That's 410,000 naira plus 42,000 naira plus our liability 25,150. It will give us 477,150. So if you look at the account, it is balanced. So now let's read more. There are more assignments to be given in our portals so that we have comprehensive knowledge about it. Now let's check the portal for the assignment. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa